Hi everyone! Today we in Fabits are making bacon wrapped chicken with zucchini ribbons and cheese. The name of the dish pretty much lists all the ingredients, but you can also check them out in the description below. Start with slicing or tearing fresh mozzarella into small pieces, then combine with shredded Havarti cheese and whole grain Dijon mustard in a bowl and set aside. On a large cutting board, slice 2 skinless, boneless chicken breasts so that you have 4 flat chicken slices. Season with salt and pepper, then cover with wrapping paper and flatten further with a meat tenderizer. This way you won't have to wash your meat tenderizer afterwards. Remove the wrapping paper and put 2 zucchini ribbons on top of each chicken slice and season slightly with the salt. Place a layer of mixed cheeses on top of zucchini and start rolling chicken breasts. Roll tightly so that all the layers are held together. Place 2 bacon strips on top of each other so that they overlay each other for about 1/3 and wrap chicken rolls into bacon. Place on the baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 35 minutes. Serve with zucchini and black sesame salad on a side and enjoy! This dish goes extremely well with tomato basil soup and can make full course dinner. If this video inspired you, give it a like and hit subscribe button. Share in the comments below if this recipe looks promising for you to try it out. This was it for today. Take care and stay tuned.